Hi everybody, it's Queen Jelly Cosplay here, and me and my friend Chucky here have a very special surprise for everyone. So, one of my really good friends over at Fu Photography got us these right here. They're Chucky surprise balls, or Toy Capsule Collections Chucky edition, and they have different surprises inside each of them. So he got them for us, and his only request was that we do a video to show you what's inside. So we're going to go ahead and open them. I have not seen what's inside, other than I know that apparently there's a pair of shoelaces that are going to look really great on his shoes. But other than that, we don't know what's inside. So we're going to go ahead and get started. There we go. You can see right down here. This Chucky right here is the one from Spirit. These are officially licensed and all that stuff. There's apparently 9 of them. So we're going to start with this one right here. Appears to be a magnet with his face on it. I believe it's a magnet because it's flat on the back. And it's pretty thick, so it's a little bit thicker than just a sticker. So that's number 1, is a magnet. 2 right here. Oh, it's like a plastic bracelet. Let's see. It says, "Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?" There we go. This is number 3. Ah! This is, oh my Lord. It's a little, I think it's supposed to go on the end of like a pencil. It's just his head. For now, I'm gonna put that right here in the pocket. Should I put the other, should I put the bracelet on him? I don't know why I think that's so funny, but it's just a head. Right. There we go. Now he has his bracelet on too. Alright. Number 4, right here. Oh, it looks like a lanyard maybe? Oh, it's a good guy lanyard. That's cute. Yeah, look at that. It's a good guy lanyard. That's really cool. Alright, let's put that there. Okay. What were we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, so this is number 5 now. Okay. Oh, it's a little pin. It says "Good Guys." You can put that on there. So this is very much a very large variety of things. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna, even though it already says "Good Guys" right there, I'm gonna put it on him anyway. Because I can. So there we go. Now it has it on there right there. I could put it on the lanyard. You know what? It's already done. All right. 6 right here. Oh, an eraser. Very nice. Add that to the pocket. All right. 7. Oh, these gotta be the shoelaces. I'm not gonna take the time to put them on right now. Maybe if I feel like it, I'll put them on and then like add a picture to the end or something. But for right now, there are the shoelaces. They do look like they're big enough to actually go in shoes. but I was told that they didn't really fit, and so that's why they look good on the Chucky because they don't really fit on regular shoes, but they look like they're normal length shoes. They're size of my arm. Like I said, we'll go ahead and get those on in a little bit. This is number 8. Is it a patch? Ah, I think it's a patch. Yeah, like an iron-on or sew-on patch. That's pretty cool. I have to find something to put that on. Alright, and last but not least, number 9. A keychain. Awesome. And we can hang that at the bottom of your lanyard, dude. Let me just take the clip. Boop. Look at that. I'm going to move the pin onto the lanyard because that actually makes more sense. That would be the intelligent thing. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So we had the magnet, we had the head that goes on the end of a pencil, which is, I think, my favorite thing. I think it's just so funny. The eraser, the little bracelet, the pin, lanyard, and then the keychain at the bottom. Let's see if we can even get the shoelaces on really fast. So yeah, this is the one. This Chucky is from Spirit Halloween, and it's super great. I love it. The only thing is that his legs do not bend, so he does have to stand straight at all times. But other than that, he's super accurate. He's the right size, and all of his, as you can see, his shoes and all of his clothes and stuff like that can come off. So we're gonna just super quick, or not. That hole's not gonna be big enough for that. Yikes. Or maybe, haha. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. No way. No way, no way. Oh my god, I love it. Because it's not like too much, but like it just adds just a little bit to it. Oh my lord. I know you're all like, wow, she's such a freak right now, but you know what? I don't care. I'm so excited about this. And yes, I know it's November, but I also don't care. I didn't get the time to do this before, so here we are now. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright, so basically there's your before and after. So that's before, and that's after. Actually, we'll get a little knot in there. Oh my gosh, I love it. This says good guys all over it. Oh, that's so cute. All right. Well, so there you are. There's your capsule collectibles Chucky edition. He wants to be your very best friend. So thank you again to Gian of Gian Food Photography, and I'll see you at Girls Night. Oh my gosh, I'll see all you guys next time. Bye.